Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious crab patties from scratch. The secret to truly outstanding crab patties begins with selecting the freshest crab meat available, ideally lump or jumbo lump. Beyond the star ingredient, you'll need essential binders like 1 large egg and about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, plus a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Don't forget key seasonings such as 2 teaspoons of Old Bay, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce to elevate the flavor profile. A 1/4 cup of finely chopped bell pepper adds a delightful texture. Now, let's combine our ingredients with care. Gently fold the crab meat, mayonnaise, egg, breadcrumbs, and seasonings together in a large bowl. The key here is a light touch. You want to preserve those beautiful lumps of crab, not shred them. Once mixed, form the mixture into 8 to 10 patties, each about 1 inch thick and 3 inches in diameter. For best results, chill these patties in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps them firm up and hold their shape perfectly during cooking. Cooking your crab patties to perfection offers a few delicious options. For a classic crispy exterior, pan-fry them in 2 tablespoons of butter or oil over medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes per side until golden brown. If you prefer a lighter approach, baking them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes is excellent. Alternatively, an air fryer can achieve a wonderful crispiness in about 10 to 12 minutes at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. No matter your method, cook until they are beautifully golden. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade crab patties. These versatile delights pair wonderfully with a variety of accompaniments. A zesty lemon aioli or a classic tartar sauce makes an excellent dipping companion. For a complete meal, serve them alongside a fresh, crisp green salad or some perfectly roasted asparagus. You can even transform them into a gourmet sandwich by placing them on a toasted brioche bun with your favorite toppings. Garnish with fresh parsley or chives for an inviting presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.